Aussie Biltong, we decided to use skirt steak, grass-fed. So first process would be to dip it in a vinegar to help preservation process. So next step would be to dry off the vinegar for a little bit, and then from there we got a spice mix where is salt, caraway seeds, smoked paprika. The idea behind is it to mimic the beautiful chorizo sausage flavor, give it a good massage, and then from here we're just gonna put it back on the tray. Okay, now it's done, and we're gonna marinate for 24 hours before we try it. So after the marination process, what we do, we put some label with the actual weight, so I can monitor how much moisture it loses, and this is the beauty. This is the end product. Wow, so nice. This is our original flavor.